Hello. So you need sprinkler repair? Well, you definitely reached out to the right company, On Point Contractors. My name is George, and I'm here to explain our process. Basically, we send out two qualified technicians to look at your system. They drive to your home, look at your system, evaluate it, and in that evaluation, we're checking heads, we're checking your double check system, that's the thing that's connected to the water meter, usually in a green rectangle box. We check your valves, we check coverage, specific things that you say there's a big puddle in the backyard or it's leaking on the sidewalk. We check all those things, and then after that, we give you an evaluation estimate and let you know what's how much exactly everything's going to cost. Now there are some problems that we have to fix first to keep going. For instance, a broken wire or broken wires, uh, a malfunctioning control head where you control the sprinklers. So some of those things, have to be repaired before we can complete the whole system evaluation. But in most cases, we can find the problems, and usually it takes between 20 minutes to an hour to evaluate your system. After that's done, they give you the quote. Now, if you don't go with the quote, then the service call will be $95. The reason we charge $95 is because we have to pay our technicians to come out there and do the quote. So they have to get in their vehicle, they have to drive to your home, they have to spend at least about an hour there, looking and evaluating your system. Most people in this industry charge $95, and it's not a free quote. Most plumbers come out and they charge anywhere between $200 and $500 just to come out. But that's the only reason we charge 95 is to cover the cost of the technician. Most customers go with our quotes. The average cost of a sprinkler repair is from $150 to about $400, depending on what it is. Now, there are other times where it's $600 to $1,200, sometimes even more if they're adding a zone or doing other things. So, just all in a nutshell, again, it's a pretty simple process. You can text 214-702-1902 to get on the schedule. Text your name, your address, and your email and say you want to get on the schedule. And give us a call anytime too at 214-702-1902. It's a pretty simple process. And look at our Google reviews. We do a lot of repairs in DeSoto, Lancaster, Cedar Hill, and we're a company you can depend on. We're not the lowest, not the cheapest price, but we usually come in the middle with repairs. With the sprinkler repairs. So if you have a leak or you need a system looked at, let us know. You can also go to our sprinkler repair page, landing page. It's sprinklerleakrepair.com. Sprinklerleakrepair.com. Fill that out. Put on there everything that's wrong with your system or that you know of, and we'll make an appointment for you. It's not a problem. Again, if you have any questions, comments, comment on this video, send me a text 214-702-1902. You can reach me directly. It comes to all our phones when you text. Just put on there you want to talk to George or Austin or Mo. And have a great day. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.